right? Fuck off. Fuck off. Go walking, that's what to do. Go. I don't know if you remember that UK TV ad. I remember as a kid, just try to convince people to go out walking more. Go walk. It was very threatening too. Go walking, that's what you'll fucking do. Steady state cardio in the morning. So me and my partner usually get the walking in the mornings after drop the kids off the childcare. Obviously, you can take them. Come on, you can take them whenever you wish. You know, in terms of walking is, for me, my preferred cardio source. It's steady state cardio, consistent, not anything that's driving the heart rate up mad, consistent, easy enough digestible cardio. See, the key is, especially if you're doing weight training, and you're not wanting to stress your body out too much, you don't need to sprint, you don't need to row for 30 minutes. Now, if that's your shit and you enjoy it, fine. But in terms of utilising safe weight loss, it makes more sense. Now, when I say safe weight loss, I'm referring more to stress-free, right? Because a lot of this, especially when you're dieting, and people in prep especially, your goal is what? Well, it's to reduce the stress that your central nervous system is putting on. If you're in reduced calories, the body doesn't like it. If you're doing weight training while you're on severely reduced calories, the body doesn't like it. But if you constantly hammering it with long distance cardio, the body fucking hates it. And I can tell you now, going through it, even when I was walking during prep and no calories, my body didn't like it, and that's why it suffered a lot. Now, walking is steady state, so the body can recover from it well. And while it could be argued by some scientific studies have shown, which I didn't really like that too much, because sometimes the bros got it better, but majority of walking, steady state cardio tends to tap into fat reserves more for me. I don't think it burns muscle as much. Now, you can't really say, you know, what burns muscle and what doesn't. You know, the body doesn't discriminate. But, there's a big but, I think with the reduced stress of it, you're certainly more likely to promote maintenance of muscle during the phase of cardio. So that's your most important factor, is can you slowly taper the body and encourage it to burn the reserves it needs, the fat, while maintaining the maximum muscle mass, all assuming that you're fueling it well with carbohydrates and stuff as well, the preferred source of the muscles. So steady state cardio, it's good for a lot of reasons, and you do know I do like to include realistic approaches as well. So people with kids, you can walk. It's not like I'm telling you to go to the gym, you know, where maybe you can't get the kids minded. You can bring the kids out, right? We do it all the time, and we do it with these hills, and they're good because pushing two fucking bouncing fat, well, they're not fat, but chubby babies up an incline hill like this. Like, look at this. Looks easy enough, but fuck me, after a leg day, it's bad. So pushing these two up a pram really does tax. And again, better than the kids being stuck at screens all day, which I'm a big believer against. Obviously, it's realistic. I mean, you can't ignore it all the time, but try to get your kids out as much as you can, and you'll get it as well. Happy family, happy healthy bodies, sexy mum and daddy. Right, thanks.